Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create glowing abstract background with geometric texture design in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a vertical strip. Gradient panel. Ctrl F9. Right gradient slider color R0 G0 B29. Left gradient slider color R39 G170 B225. Type linear. Angle -90 degree. Select shape and drag into symbol panel for make new symbol. Graphic. Draw a horizontal shape for background. Gradient type. Radial. Lock. Ctrl 2. Symbol sprayer tool. Shift S. Select symbol from symbol panel. Press over the artboard with the symbol sprayer tool. Opacity 20%. Copy. Ctrl C. Paste in front. Ctrl F. Opacity 40%. Little move to right side. Opacity 60%. Little move to left side. Opacity 80%. Opacity 100%. Little move to bottom side. Blending mode. Multiply and opacity 100%. Finally, your geometric particles texture background design is now ready. Please follow step by step and its easy way to create glowing lines upside background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.